Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to remove devices from GitHub. So to start, open GitHub and sign into your account. Next, click your profile in the top right corner. Then scroll down and look for settings. Then click settings. Next, on the left side, under access, look for sessions. So click on that. So here you can see all of your web sessions. So here are the list of devices that have logged into your account. You can revoke any sessions that you did not recognize. And down here you also have your GitHub mobile sessions. So you can click details to see which devices you're unfamiliar with. You can view all sessions. Now to revoke these devices, so on the same page you can scroll down and go to developer settings. So in here, select personal access tokens and review your active tokens. So find the token associated with the device you want to remove, then click delete or revoke to remove its access. You can also remove an SSH key. So what you can do is to again open settings in GitHub. So click your profile and go to settings. Then on the left side, so click SSH and GPG keys. So in here, find the SSH key that belongs to the device. Then click delete next to the key and confirm the removal. So the device will no longer be able to authenticate using that SSH key. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.